Loneliness is something many people seem to be struggling with today, even more in this hyper-connected era. And I think that we often assume that loneliness is just an absence of connection with other people. But I think it can actually be more than that. It can be also a disconnection from the living world around us. I wanted to share a story from my book today about a time when, as a university student, I was working as a tree planter in northern British Columbia. And one day I was taken out to a large block that had been clear cut by a timber company. And as far as the eye could see, it was just this clear cut. So in my book, I note, as far as my eyes could see, the landscape was barren, charred, and desecrated. The ground was littered with remnants of logging activities, burned out oil cans, and other debris. A deep sense of loneliness engulfed me. There were no signs of life, no birds singing, no crickets chirping, no rustling leaves in the wind. Only the intense sun. There were moments when I had to stop planting and simply weep. So, I've often been thinking recently about loneliness and how when I am feeling overwhelmed and disconnected, it isn't necessarily, social media that I go to or technology or even conversation, but oftentimes I will find myself going for a walk in the forest, sitting by the stream, just listening to the birds singing, because it is that experience of being alive and being part of something living that can really bring about a sense of belonging, of community, and of connectedness.